Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make burger steak sauce Panlasang Pinoy full guide. Heat a skillet over medium and sauté garlic and onions until translucent and fragrant. Pour in beef broth and soy sauce, then simmer gently to meld flavors. Stir in a touch of sugar and a splash of vinegar for brightness, tasting as you go to adjust seasoning for a classic, comforting Panlasang Pinoy sauce. In this video, I will show how to make burger steak sauce Panlasang Pinoy full guide. Make a cornstarch slurry with cold water to thicken without lumps and add it slowly while stirring. Keep heat moderate and simmer for a minute to cook the starch and reach a glossy finish. If sauce becomes too thick, thin with a splash of broth, and taste again to rebalance salt and acid for perfect consistency. In this video, I will show how to make burger steak sauce Panlasang Pinoy full guide. Try adding oyster sauce or Worcestershire for deeper umami, or fold in sautéed mushrooms for texture and richness. Brighten the sauce at the end with a squeeze of calamansi or lemon for contrast against savory notes. Taste frequently and adjust seasoning so the sauce complements the burger steak without overpowering the meat's natural flavor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.